Hey guys, welcome to Waypoint X. My name is Judd, and for today's video, we have a brand new Factor 55 Flatlink E ready to install. So, stay tuned. So we have our Factor 55 Flatlink E Expert. Came in from Factor 55 a few days ago. We're really excited that it came in. We called them up and they got us one really quickly. And their rope guard. We just liked, we got one of their specialty colors, raw aluminum color, kind of matches the theme of our Jeep. But they've got plenty of assortment of colors to match your Jeep styling. And they're just great. It's going to keep us closed system winching is what we're looking for. But we went ahead and got their rope guard, which you'll take off these bumpers and you'll have some studs that go in there and it will cover that up. So we'll place that on here in a minute. But to show you what kind of tools we're going to need for the install, you're going to need your set ring, pliers, 90 degree angle tips on there. We've already got that. We've got our wire cutters and a set of needle nose pliers to get that Carter pin out of the old hook that's on our Jeep. We also have a flathead screwdriver that's going to take out these bumpers on one side of the Flatlink E. And then we have some assortment of hammers right here to hit in these studs. Now you're going to need a flat surface. We have a vise right here, but you're going to need a flat surface and a hard surface to put these studs into your Flatlink E. So let's get started. Alright guys, so you have these bumpers on this side. As you see right here, it says Factor 55 and a little warning label, and we want that to face out on ours. So we're going to pop these set of bumpers off and put the rope guard on this side. So what we're going to do is take our flathead screwdriver, just get up under there, just work, see it already popped off. There's one. Get up under this one. And there's two. So we've already got that out. We're going to get our little rivets. Get 4 of those out. They send you 6, which is awesome, just in case you do mess up. Go ahead and put our Flatlink rope guard on there. And we are just going to set in our set screws like so. Now, if I were you, I'd go ahead and set them all in at one time so that when you set one of them, that the other ones are already in place, ready to go. So, alright guys, so we've changed locations. We've moved to the anvil, a little bit harder surface. I've got my dad holding it for me, and we're going to punch down these studs. We've got a bigger hammer to drive it home, and we've got our punch, and we're going to put in the remaining of these studs. Oh. And there we go. And now that you can take a look at it really quickly. Alright guys, so we have just finished putting in the rivets. They're nice and smooth on top. No burrs or anything like that. We've got our Factor 55 right here. It says rope guard. It's got the Factor 55 logo and the warning label facing out, so everybody can see. And we're going to mount it just like this onto our fair lead. So let's go get it installed. Well guys, we're out here at the Jeep. As you can see, we probably need to re-spool our winch line. After our Windrock trip, we haven't got to that yet. You can still see some of the red on this side, so we probably need to re-spool that. We'll do that soon. But we're going to go ahead and take this Carter pin out and remove the hook. So let's go ahead and bend out these. You're going to take some needle nose pliers, bend them out. There we go, it's coming out. There we go. Came out. So, pin's gonna come out. And there's your hook. We want to get rid of that. Throw it off to the side. Then we got our Factor 55 Flatlink. right here. So inside of the one side, you've got a set ring. You'll take your 90-degree set ring pliers. I'll try to bring this up to you and see. So you've got this set ring. Try to get it right in there. Trying to do this and show this to you at the same time. You'll go in those two holes and you'll pinch, pull out, try to grab that set ring before it flies across the floor or wherever you're at. Get that set ring out. We're going to place that right here on the bumper. That pin will drop out for you, and there's your pin. I'm going to take this here. It's going to go, it fits perfectly in there. Take our pin, goes right in there, and then there is a groove that this set ring goes in. You need to get it back in that groove. So that's what happens. It goes flying. Oh, we found it. There we go. All right. So you're gonna get your set ring. My apologies. Get it in there. Sure. It's in there. All right. Scale can zoom in on that right there. It is set back in its groove, nice and tight, and it's ready to go on the Jeep. So there you go. So we have our Factor 55 Flatlink E Expert and our rope guard ready to go. Everything's been done. Set ring's been put in. Made sure that it's all good and tight. We have our rope guard logo on the out, Factor 55 right here on top, and the warning label facing out. We're going to go ahead and press it up against the fair lead. We're going to winch it in. There we go. Nice and tight. It's got a clean look to it. It gets it up out of the way. You don't have to put it on the hook, and it's not going to bang against your bumper. Looks real nice and clean, and it always is safety. You know, we want to keep that closed system winching for safety, and in my opinion, it looks great. So go check out Factor 55. They've got a lot of cool products besides these thimbles. Besides the Flatlink E, they've got many different colors and assortment of different things. This is just what we chose, and we like it, and we hope you'll go check them out and go see what they've got to offer. But we like our Factor 55 Flatlink E.